Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and I am doing a long day today. This is my third shift. So basically, I work Sunday long day and then kahapon I was on my training. So I did the ITU study day and today is my third shift. So magkape lang tayo kasi we need it. And then while I'm here, mag-prepare lang ako ng baon. Nagluto si David kagabi ng sinigang na salmon. So, yan ang baon natin for today. And guys, we have our ulam. And of course, we need rice. Okay, we have our rice. And kahapon actually, after nag-training ko, pumunta kami sa Filipino store. Bumili na din ako ng saging na saba because you know that's our favorite. I'll eat it for breakfast. I-heat mo lang siya ng 5 to 6 minutes in the microwave. I'm going to just maybe bring half of it kasi hindi ko naman to mauubos. Maybe just konti na lang yung kape namin, pero bumili na si David ng bago. I think this is enough for like one whole. Kasya ba? Of course, sugar. So usually ganito ako magawa ng kape, guys. 1 teaspoon coffee, 1 teaspoon sugar. I used to do 2 kasi mahilig ako sa matamis na kape. And then, we're gonna get our oat milk. We're also gonna bring some for work. Ito yung favorite kong oat milk. You know that if you're watching my vlogs. Ang ginagawa ko, I just put some here in my little container kasi sa trabaho. Medyo nagbo-bloat kasi ako sa cow's milk, guys. Pero kung wala talaga akong oat milk, cow's milk is fine. Kapag ginagamit ko siya all the time, dun ako parang nagbo-bloat. Ginawa ko to 2 days ago or the other day. Nilagay ko naman siya sa fridge. Ayan, ang ating puto. I'll bring 1. Ayan. Actually, maybe I'll bring... Sige nga, 2 na lang. Ayan. Kasya naman silang 3 here. While waiting for the banana, guys, halika mag-skincare na tayo kasi actually we're running late. Diba, guys? Ayan, ilagay na natin ang ating mga food here. Sa loob ng bag ko, meron akong lunch bag para hindi mag-spill ang food sa bag ko in case. Kasya lahat. Hindi sobrang laki ng bag na to, pero kasya yung malaki kong lunch bag. Nabili ko to sa TikTok shop. I usually iron these, but since wala tayong time today, it's fine. Guys, I've done my makeup off cam. This is what my day looks like kapag nagra-rush ako. Let's go. Hello! Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Wednesday, April 15. And alam nyo na kapag Wednesday, errand day natin yan. So, number 1 sa aming priority today is to do our grocery, weekly grocery, kasi wala nang maluluto dito sa bahay. So far, tinatrack namin yung aming weekly budget for grocery because we want to really be better with our spendings. Tinatrack na ni David yung budget namin dati pa. Pero this year, we're being very intentional with our budget, especially sa grocery kasi it's the area that we find we can improve a lot on. So today, pupunta kami sa Lidl. So sa Lidl kami usually nag-grocery kasi mas mura siya compared sa stores like Sainsbury's or Spencer. Medyo mahal yung meat nila. Sama ko kayo and then we'll see kung magkano yung magastos natin for this grocery. I'll be sharing with you as well kung ano yung mga prices ng mga grocery items dito. If ever curious kayo or you're planning to move or live in the UK. Medyo okay ang weather today. It's actually 17 degrees outside. Let's go, guys. Alis na tayo. Ito na pala yung aming itinanim na tomato, guys. Ayan, tumubo na siya. Yan yung mga tinanim ni David na pak choy. And yung flower ko din. Hopefully, magbo-bloom na yan sila. Let's go! In a span of 1 minute, nag-iba ang weather. London weather. Very unpredictable. Kaya may dala kaming payong in case umulan. Ito yung kanilang sushi festival, and then si David nag-order ng mini chicken teriyaki. Kami? Nangyari siya lang? Bawra lagi. Next. We're here na guys. And then first is bumili kami ng grapes. Ayan. Pero look at the strawberries.
5 pounds.
Kaning mas gamay. Sabi ni David, adobo na lang daw ang aming ulam mamaya. So bibili kami ng ingredients for adobo. Ang dami nilang mango guys. Sarap tingnan. Palit usa. Sarap eh. Ito pala yung binibili ko guys na protein. Ayan, salted caramel. Isa. Kasi we're consuming a lot of eggs. Check muna natin. Check natin dito sa mga random stuff. Baka may makita tayo. Sushi making kit. Wala na atang magaganda guys. Nabili na yung mga magaganda. Let's move on sa coffee mates. Chips. Vegetable. Hello guys, now it's 6:47. Nakatulog ako. So after namin mag-grocery ni David, pinick up namin si Light, and then after namin dumating sa bahay, I felt so tired. So sabi ko, David, matutulog ako ng 1 hour, pero parang nag-oversleep ata ako. I'm just gonna show you ano yung mga binili namin. So ang total na gastos namin is 46 pounds and 4 pence. I'm going to put the prices somewhere up here sa mga nabili ko para alam nyo. And I'm gonna put the peso conversion. Toilet tissue, ayan, 4 pieces to. Just bought some cotton pads. Ito is parang twin pack siya. Seedless grapes. Strawberry, kasi parang maganda yung mga strawberries nila kanina. And ito, binilhan ko si Light ng ice cream cones. Ito, masarap to. Ito yung waffle cones nila. So, favorite to ni Light. Then, binilhan namin si Light ng french fries. Let's put it here sa freezer namin. Frozen na mixed vegetables. Protein na yogurt. Meron tong 22 grams of protein and the flavor is salted caramel. Ayan, pork. This is 1 kg kasi ang request ni David na ulam is adobo. Pumuli ako ng sweet potato kasi meron akong nakita na magandang recipe. So, I'm gonna hopefully do that this week. Lights, milk for his morning cereal, and painom namin siya ng warm milk before going to sleep. 1 mango, garlic, yung favorite na bread ni Light, coffee mate, ginagamit ni David. Usually ako gumagamit ako ng oat milk, pero I also like using creamer. Dishwashing liquid, fabric softener, ayan, floral scents. Bango. XXL nila na Head and Shoulders. So, I bought this coconut milk kasi diba nung nagluto ako ng benignit, bumili ako ng malagkit. So, marami pa siyang sobra. So, I was thinking of making puto. Puto na yung Bisaya na puto, yung sticky rice. Ang ingredient kasi nun is coconut milk, sticky rice, tapos ginger. So, nakalimutan ko yung ginger. Pero anyways, pwede naman natin siyang bilhin tomorrow. Kasi hindi ko pa naman siya gagawin today. Pero at least nakabili ako ng coconut milk to remind me that I'll be making that. Hand soap sa toilet. Andito din sa kitchen. So, bumili lang ako ng refillable. That's everything, guys. I'm just going to make myself a cup of coffee. Decaf. And then, magluluto na tayo ng dinner. Pakita ko lang yung nabili naming ice cream pala. Siyempre, nilagay ko siya lang ang nilagay ko sa freezer nung dumating kami sa bahay. Kasi of course, magbe-melt siya. And, tatlo yung flavor niya. Walang kalaman-laman yung aming fridge. May nakalimutan pa pala akong isa ipakita, guys. Ito, last na lang talaga. Nakalimutan ko ang egg. So, ito is 15 mixed free-range eggs. So, now I'm just going to marinate the pork and then I'm going to start cooking na. Hello, lad! Oh, there's your bread. Oh, I put it there. Parang kailangan ko na atang bumili ng mas malaki na storage na SD card. Kasi nag-stop bigla yung vlog ko kasi puno na siya. Yung memory. O, David, kuhain mong kape, be. Marinate muna natin ang pork for at least 30 minutes. Doon na lang ako, hindi pa naman makibaon. Diyan ang soy sauce, guys. Hi guys, good morning. Kakahatid ko lang kay Light. I have a couple of things to do today. Today is going to be hopefully a productive day for me. So first things first, kailangan ko munang tapusin yung pag-i-edit ko sa vlog natin para ma-upload ko na siya. This will be the vlog for the Whipsnade namin na trip. And by the way, let's celebrate na naka 500 subscribers na tayo. I'm so happy. So I actually started this channel late September last year. So roughly mga 6 months na tong channel na to. We're halfway there kasi diba sa YouTube, usually yung first big milestone is 1,000 subscribers. So we're halfway there and thank you so much if you've been watching my vlog. Thank you so much. Mag-edit lang ako, guys. Actually yan, I'm watching a vlog. I like watching vlogs. Just a bit of story time. Since I was in high school actually, medyo interested na ako sa stuff when it comes to like directing, creating. This is actually the side of me na na-excite ako. Na-excite ako na mag-shoot, mag-edit, to more milestones together. Cheers! So, 12:30 na. So, pause muna ako sa pag-i-edit ko, guys. And I'm doing the Pilates by Easy as I said. So, today is day 3. So, I'm just going to do that now. Let me just share my outfit for today. Super cute. This skirt, I got this from Uniqlo last year. Ngayon ko lang siya nagamit. Very cute. And then, meron siyang shorts sa ilalim. This pink top, I got this from Sports Direct last year. Matagal na to sa akin. Guys, it's currently 2 o'clock na. So, nakaligo na ako and nag-prepare ako ng lunch ko. Meron ako ditong sabaw. Yung sobra namin sa tinolang isda na niluto namin kagabi. Meron akong rice. Ayan. Ang ulam na lang na natira sa fridge namin is itong fish fingers. Actually, kay Light to. Kinain niya to kagabi. Pero meron pang natira. So, in-air-fry ko na lang siya. And while I'm eating, nanonood ako ng itong podcast ni Catriona Gray and Nicole. We're talking about boundaries. Nagustuhan ko talaga yung podcast ni Danny Barreto. Nag-guest dun si Catriona and they were talking about boundaries as an adult. Super relatable niya if you're someone in your adult life na just also learning to put some boundaries in certain aspects of your life. I really like it and I'm also learning a lot. Here.
Poopy! Look!
Show them your snack. What's your snack today?
Turkey!
Pokey.
Pokey!
Open it here.
Okay.
Wow.
Thanks, Mommy!
You're welcome. Hi guys, I'm already cooking dinner. First time ko try ang recipe na to. I found it sa TikTok. Ito ang gagayahin natin for tonight. Ayan. This is from Cassie Palma sa TikTok. So if you wanna follow this recipe, just look her up sa TikTok. But look at that. It looks so delicious. I'm actually frying the pork na. And then I already fried the carrots as well. Nag-slice na din ako ng onion, garlic, and tomatoes here. So I'm just gonna follow the recipe step by step. Guys, I added the tomato sauce na. I'm just filtering it kasi yung nabili ko is may whole tomato siya na laman. 1 cup of water. Hi guys, I'm back. Let me show you kung ano nang itsura ng ating puchero. So, after 20 minutes, what I did is put the carrots and then nag-alarm ako again for 5 minutes. And then now, nilagay ko yung cabbage and yung beans. I'm just gonna mix this and then leave it for another, say, 5 to 10 minutes. Hi guys, moment of truth. It's already cooked. Does it look appetizing? Oh my gosh, I'm so proud guys na nagawa ko to. Wow! Can you say puchero?
Potato!
Yeah, you see that?
Wow!
Does it look yummy?
Yeah.
I put some beans. Let's put some in our bowl. And we're gonna have dinner na. I'm gonna turn this off na. First ever puchero recipe. Bon appetit! Good afternoon. It's about 2:30 or 2:24 to be exact. It's a Saturday. Mga 9 a.m. kami nagising ni Light kanina. And then, nagkape ako. First thing I did, as usual. Nag-lunch na kami ni Light. And I promised him na bibigyan ko siya ng ice cream after lunch. Ito, nabili ko sa Lidl kahapon. Ito yung laman niya. Masarap siya guys, waffle cones. I was actually thinking to go out, to take Light out for a bit kasi medyo okay yung weather today. Actually, it's so nice to look at the weather forecast this week and the next week because mostly sunny siya. So, nakaka-positive vibes. Kita nyo ba? Hindi siya talagang super frozen. Pero anyways, that will do. Masaya na si Light dito. Light! You want your ice cream? Hello guys, I'm back. So kanina lumabas lang kami sandali ni Light sa playground. By the way guys, I found my apron yesterday. Nalagay ko siya dun sa bag sa kailaliman ng aming coat closet. Because we're gonna spend a little bit of time here in the kitchen, might as well wear my apron, diba? Para naman medyo aesthetic tayo tingnan. I'm gonna attempt to cook something new again tonight. Nagawa ko lang naman is, nagsisearch ako ng recipes online, mostly sa TikTok. And when I find something na feeling ko kaya kong gawin, or like, looks good, then I try to follow it. I'm going to attempt to do 3 dishes tonight because tomorrow nga is the start of my 3 shifts. I have here chicken breast. So, ang plan ko dito is, gagawa ako ng chicken Caesar salad wrap. I'm just going to season this. Meron ako nakitang recipe na very easy to follow. While that is marinating, ito ang first ko talagang lulutuin. This is also my first time using minced chicken kasi most of the time, minced pork or minced beef yung ginagamit ko, especially if I'm cooking lumpia. Wala siyang sisig, diba? This is actually Thai na recipe, pero to me, the ingredients look like para kang nagluluto ng sisig. So, I'm just gonna try it and hopefully end up with like a chicken sisig sort of recipe. I have all the ingredients. Nakabili ako ng extra onion kanina when I went to the store. So yeah, that's our like main ulam for tonight. And if merong sobra, then I can also bring some for work. Sweet potato, 1 kilogram. So eto is bibake lang niya. Without further ado, let's start. Let's put it on the pan. I also sliced 1 red bell pepper. At para din may makain si Red na vegetable. We're just gonna wait for it to reduce. We are going to taste it. Hopefully, okay siya. 7 seconds per side. Pwede din siyang i-microwave. Guys, I'm done with our first dish. I ended up putting some mayonnaise lang para lang medyo may cream siya. I'm doing the wrap now. Here's our cooked chicken now. I've got some corn and then ito yung ating tortilla wrap. I had to search like how to wrap a burrito because first time kong ginawa to. So first trial ko is epic fail siya. So hinit ko muna siya yung tortilla wrap for 8 seconds sa microwave and then wrapped it. It was actually a lot better. Guys, this is our wrap. I'm going to slice it into half. Ta-da! Taste test. Okay na siya pang baon. Guys, I devoured my wrap. Yan na lang yung natira. Tadam! Now, we're gonna do the last recipe, which is the sweet potato. Okay guys, here are the potatoes. I've just put oil and salt and pepper on both sides. Oven is at 200 degrees, so I'm just gonna put this in for 35 minutes.